Saturday at the Glen, as we were race testing our 24 KX450, the 22 offset Ride Engineering clamps. We had a great day. The bike worked good. We are going to have further videos and information as we go to different tracks with the clamps to make sure they work good in all situations. And I want to thank Debbie Tamietti for the wonderful pictures. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel STR Motorsports and also push the bell button so you'll get notifications of all our new and upcoming videos.